Hey, welcome back. It is that time of the year when you may have been on your weight loss program. You made that resolution at the beginning of the year. You're going to lose weight. You're going to get in shape for 2016. And Dr. Timothy Jochen from Contour Dermatology has got the punch to make you do it the right way.
Yes.
You and I were just discussing it because I've been working on it since the beginning of the new year. And what are you telling me needs to be done?
Well, I think it's individualized based on each person. You know, so many people want a pill or they want the magic.
They want the magic.
They want the magic. They don't want to do any work. They just want the magic. So I think for those people, we have the CoolSculpt, which is really an amazing device. You know, the body is the new face in terms of devices because now we have devices that actually work where you don't really have it to do anything invasive and it gets rid of inches.
Yeah, but those CoolSculpting things, that's not necessarily for people that are excessively overweight, though. Are you saying it is? You can?
Well, you know, I think that it can be used for people who are excessively overweight. Now, of course, the ideal candidate is going to be somebody who has just pockets of fat. But you know, a lot of times I find people need some motivation. So I like these devices because if they see a roll disappearing, melting away, then they get motivated to do more.
How does that work?
What it does is it's a device that sucks out the fat. So if you have pinchable fat, it sucks it up into a head. And then what we do is we start chilling the fat. So the fat freezes faster than the surrounding tissue, so you can actually get rid of inches. You lose 20 to 25% of your fat each time you put that head on.
And then it's gone for good, right?
Gone for good, yes.
But now, are there side effects, bad things that can result from having this procedure done?
You know, the side effects are really minimal. You get a little bit of bruising, maybe a little bit of swelling, but in 1 to 3 months, you'll start to notice that fat disappearing.
Oh, it takes that long. So it's not necessarily that magic pill that happens overnight.
Well, it's pretty magical. I mean, to think that you just walk in, you lay down, you have your fat sucked for an hour, and then a month later, you know, it's gone. So I think it's really, I think it's kind of magic.
How expensive is something like that, though?
You know, it's one of those things where you really need to come in for a consultation because everybody's body is different, so it really depends on how many areas you need treated. You know, the head started, I think, $750 per treatment.
Wow. So. Okay, so now let's talk about the slower but very effective way to lose weight.
Very effective. I bought a franchise called Medi-Weightloss, and I was very excited about it because it really helps people who haven't been able to lose weight actually lose the weight. It's a medically supervised program where you learn to eat real food. So you're not buying prepackaged food, processed food, and we have so much success with this program.
And it's long-term because you've been doing it for over a year now.
Over a year now, yes.
So now the people that have been on it, they stay off. Their weight stays off?
What we have is we have 3 phases where you're in your acute phase where you're losing weight, then maintenance, and then teaching you to continue it on. And so we do checkups on our patients and they're doing well. You know, some people start to gain a few pounds and they go, ooh, red alert, let's get back into Medi-Weightloss to make sure we don't gain a lot of weight.
And it does include exercise as well. It's not just about what you're eating, correct?
Well, you know, I think it does if you want it, but if you don't want the exercise, you can do it without the exercise. Of course, we always encourage
retraining your eating habits.
Exactly.
Very good and very great information. If you are interested in pushing that New Year's resolution into the success category, contact Dr. Timothy Jochen at Contour Dermatology. It's on your screen right now, and we will be right back.